Alright everyone, State College WX here, along with Mrs. Clock. Go ahead, Mrs. Clock.
The time is 15:17. The temperature is 54.8 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is 3:17 p.m. The temperature is 54.8 degrees Fahrenheit.
And yeah, today is a beautiful day, at least beautiful chilly one, but as you can clearly see, the sun is right there. So, not a bad day overall. It's a little chilly out there, but I'll take it. But anyway, yeah, we have another notification to do. I already asked her a question, so she is not going to say my name. Excuse me. Let's see what she has to say today.
Happy birthday to you. Join
Alexa.
3.3 this coming
Alexa,
Friday night for Light Up
what's my
York.
notification?
City of York's Christmas tree
One new
celebrating
notification
Continental Square.
from Amazon.
Starts at 5
U.S.
p.m.
National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for Midway. It'll be in effect from December 5th, 1 a.m. EST until December 5th, 7 p.m.
Not a bad drive on 83 or 30
All right, then.
to York County. In Adams County, with delays in 15:39.
So there you go. That was basically a notification today. I guess we had a wind advisory in effect. So I hope that doesn't get upgraded to a high wind warning as I continue to watch the news. Apparently they're on at 3 o'clock today. So, all right then. That's going to be it.